Happy Children's Day. Well, बच्चों को तो हम हमेशा ही pamper करते हैं, लेकिन Children's Day पे getting pampered is their right? Well, so today I thought that I will take two of their favorite dishes, crepes and cakes, and combine them to make crepe cakes. Sounds amazing, isn't it? But hold on. It is not as simple as you think it is, because you know कि हर चीज में healthy twist डालना तो मेरी आदत है. So come on, let's watch and see how I do that. So I'm making really healthy pancakes with Rajgira atta, amaranth, and some sweet potato flour. And I'm adding some brown sugar to this, and I give it a nice whisk. अब इसमें हम डालेंगे दूध, and again give it a whisk, and I'm going to add some water. अब water की जो quantity है, that's going to be decided by you and your judgment, क्योंकि we are making crepes. The consistency should be very, very thin, so just use water as required. Now I'm going to add the vanilla extract. Finally, we'll add this combination of melted butter and oil. Okay, so we'll mix the ingredients well together, and then with the help of a ladle, we will check the consistency. It should be nice and runny, just the way we make crepes. Now, if you want, you can leave this batter to rest for a while to make better crepes. Alright, so we'll keep the pan on medium-low, a nice non-stick pan, and put just a little dash of butter. Spread it with a spatula. And now we'll start making our crepes. Okay, so take a ladle full of the batter and remove the pan from the flame so it doesn't get too hot, and just swirl it around. Now just cover it up for a few seconds to get cooked. If it bubbles up a little, just prick it slightly with a fork or with your spatula. Okay, so now I am going to very gently flip my crepe. Now let this be for another couple of minutes on the other side to get cooked. And now we're going to make at least about 16 of these to make a nice layered crepe cake. Hey, there's going to be another dose of health inside it in a bit. Okay, and we take these out. Alright, so here are my crepes, and I'm going to take them out on a chopping board. And then, with the help of a big cookie cutter like this, I'm going to cut them in a nice round shape. You can use a knife to cut off the edges if they get too hard, just like the way I'm doing it. So you get a nice finish, and here, all here. Now we are going to finally assemble our cake. Alright, so now I have these mixed fruits which have been diced into very, very small pieces, and I've added some lime. They were lying in the fridge, so here they are. I've got some kiwis, some apples, some pears, and some bananas. Okay, and now we're going to assemble our crepe cake. So we begin with the first layer. Add some of my homemade chocolate and hazelnut spread. Just slather it all over. Now, a spoon of fruit, and keep it right till the edges. So when you layer them up, you can see a little bit of colorful fruits popping out. Another layer of my yummy sweet potato and Rajgira crepes. Another dollop of fruit. And now, last but not the least, I've got some powdered sugar. We are indulging our kids, aren't we? So let's make it special. We're just going to dust some powdered sugar on this yummy cake. Alright, I hope you like this crepe cake. There is no way you can't make a dish healthy, right? And I think this recipe proves just that. So happy Children's Day. I hope your children always stay happy and always stay healthy. See you soon.